Hi everyone, my name is David and this video is for my Engineering 121 class final project, and in this video I will be talking about the circuit that I make, which is about an automatic fire extinguisher, and this type of circuit could usually be found on a modern airplane hangar. So there are many components used to build the circuit. However, the most important components are the MQ2 smoke sensor, two solenoids, 3D printed parts that will spray foam, two relay, and also two power supply. And the other components are just jumper wires, two LEDs, and one buzzer. Before I tell you how the circuit works, I will show you the challenges that I need to overcome in building the circuit. So first of all, I will need to make a 3D model of the 3D printed part using an app called AutoCAD. Next, I will then 3D print it using my own 3D printer, which then this is my first prototype. And there are some design flaws of this prototype. So the first design flaw is that this neck part is too thin, so that if I take out the bottle, it will snap and break. And also there are only one solenoid part, so I tried using only one, and I discovered that if I only use one, it is not enough power. So I designed it again and have two solenoid and a longer hand. And also I have discovered that for solenoid you would need a 12 volt and 1 ampere power supply, because I tried using a 12 volt and 0.5 ampere power supply and it did not work for the solenoid. Now I will be telling you how the circuit works. So first of all, the MQ2 smoke sensor will send information to the Arduino board. And if the smoke level in the environment is higher than the threshold that has been set on the Arduino IDE code, then the Arduino will send a 5-volt voltage to the relay, which will then turn on the solenoid and which will pull the handle of the 3D printed parts and which will spray foam into the aircraft that is producing fire. Let's demonstrate this circuit in action. Right now, the smoke level is 65, which is below the threshold. So there will be nothing happening except the green LED light turning on. Now in my hand, I have an incense stick that produces smoke. This incense stick represents smoke and fire in real life. So if I put this incense stick below the MQ2 fire sensor, the thing that will happen is the red LED light will turn on, the buzzer will turn on, and the two solenoid will pull the 3D printed parts, which will spray foam to the aircraft. So let's give it a try. Okay, now the smoke level is below the threshold, so it stopped. And let's try it again. So that is basically my project. Thank you for watching.